Hello everyone, so today we have Blaupunkt Mannheim 27 from 1980s, and we did manage to install Bluetooth in this one also. So at first I'm gonna test the radio itself, the cassette player, and later I'm gonna show you how to use the Bluetooth. Okay, let's try the cassette. Okay, let's go forward. Works perfect. Let's see how it looks in the dark. All the lights are okay. Okay. So in order to activate the Bluetooth, you have to press M. Now the Bluetooth is activated. We'll go to our cell phone, turn on the Bluetooth, and here it is. Simply connect it. Wait a couple seconds. That's it. Now you can go to your cell phone and play any music you want. Cool, right? You can change the song. All original looks, nothing changed from outside. So when you want to back to your normal radio, press U. This is FM mode, simply press U. And you back to normal radio. Cool, right? Thumbs up.